Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to install a Canon printer driver in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Download the driver. Open your web browser and visit the official Canon website. Search for your printer model. Then download the latest version that match your Windows version. Step 2. Install the driver. Once the download is complete, locate the file, right click it and select Run as Administrator. Locate the setup file, right click it and select Run as Administrator. Follow the on-screen instruction, accept the license agreement and continue with the installation. If you are using a USB printer, connect the USB cable when the installer asks you to. If you are using Wi-Fi printer, follow this step. Make sure your computer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the printer. Then follow the wireless setup instruction to detect and connect your printer. After the installation is complete, restart your computer. And last, third step, test the printer. Open any document and print a test page to make sure your printer is working properly. That's it, your Canon printer is now ready to use. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thank you for watching.